KSP Group of Companies, a name that has become a synonym of quality, a brand that is recognized and respected across India, a company that leads the way with technology and innovation, creating a remarkable legacy of excellence and trust since 1993 is KSP Group of Companies, an IATF 16949 and ISO 9001-2015 certified company of Rajkot that comprises of KSP Metal Forge Private Limited at Bunava spread across 47,700 square feet, KSP Metal Treatment at Bunava across 11,300 square feet, KSPAUTO and Forge Private Limited at Harden spread across 27,000 square feet. These are all two plants in Pune equipped with a forging shop, heat treatment shop and machining shop. We manufacture and supply world-class auto parts and forging parts to some of the most reputed and global known brands in the automobile industry. In the journey of more than 25 years, we have achieved amazing business milestones, and today we are an organization having an annual turnover of more than 90 crore rupees. Our group vision is to provide strength to the customers by delivering accurate products and solutions on time and by adopting the latest technology every time. We manufacture and supply international quality products such as forged component, coupling flange, spacer and pressure ring, pole wheels and sensor ring, stainless steel components, relay arm, Pitman arm, idler arm, lock nut, engine mounting arm, supports and bracket, hub, flange, clutch release yoke, front yoke and spindle, gear shift, lever assembly, range shaft and cross shaft, tank unit flanges, profile components. These products are manufactured in diverse technical specifications to match the requirements of our customers. They're greatly used in various industrial sectors such as automotive, earth-moving vehicles, bearing, and oil and gas. Our visionary leaders are the true pillars of the glorious success of KSP Group of Companies. Their mentorship fosters the culture of growth and empowerment in the organization. The production unit has been intelligently built to enhance productivity and operational excellence. It has been divided into various sections as per the functions to attain optimal efficiency. The process begins with the raw material procurement in the raw material shop. We obtain superior quality raw materials from the trustworthy vendors of the industry. They are taken in for usage only after proper inspection. First comes induction heating, followed by the process of forging. Our forging shop is equipped with 4 lines of press forge having various capacity, line of ring rolling, power press, and hydraulic press for piercing. The next stage is normalize and shot blasting, which leads to CNC turning. Then comes VMC machining and broaching or heat treatment process and grinding depending on the requirement of the product. We are equipped with 54 CNC machines, 7 twin spindle auto-loaded CNC machines, VMC machines, full vertical broach, surface broach, induction heat treatment, and SPM for special operation. There's also a heat treatment shop with pit-type gas carburizing furnace with a capacity of 100 tons per month. Next step is grinding. We have 2 surface grinders, 3 center-less grinding, and external grinding machines for OD grinding and 4 CNC ID grinding machines. When the final inspection takes place, only the products that match the quality benchmarks of our company goes for packaging and dispatch. Our quality control room spectrometer, universal testing machine, pyrometer, electromagnetic crack detector, Rockwell hardness tester, Brunel hardness tester, microscope, Shimadzu make micro Vickers hardness tester, surface roughness tester, CMM, Mahar make contour measuring system, and many more. The entire manufacturing process is supervised by our experienced personnel at every stage, leaving no room for errors. This has led to the acquisition of some of the most valued clients like Tata Motors Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, Ashok Leyland Limited, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited, Lumax Auto Technology Limited, Exhaust Technology Private Limited, Sharda Motors Industries Limited, PMP Drive System India Private Limited, and many more. KSP Group of Company is a family of more than 300 employees. We have employed highly skilled and knowledgeable team of engineers, quality controllers, administration, personnel, and many more who are the masters of their respective area. We have come a long way because of our will to succeed and desire to offer top-notch products at competitive rates to our customers. But this is just the beginning. We are destined to become a great company, leaving its mark on the world map. KSP Group of Companies, providing strength.